Hey there, everybody. So, I know it's been a little while since I've done a taste test video. Kind of steered away from those. But this one's special because I saw this. My good friend Colin Murdy hooked me up with a little overseas love. Jaws Feeding Time cereal. Yep, this is a real thing. And I saw this and I was like, I got to get me some Jaws cereal. You kidding me? So it says multi-grain shapes, which sounds disgusting, but you know, I don't know what flavor this is supposed to be. Oh, here we go. Cocoa, honey, and caramel flavored multi-grain cereal. I have no idea. This is going to be a short, quick, let's just give this a shot test video, you know? Why not? I'm ready. You ready? Let's do it. Jaws cereal. Why is the UK getting a Jaws cereal before the US? I don't get it. I don't know why. This is put out by Harrogate Business. What? Harrogate? What is this? Harrogate. I don't know. I'm not even really sure what cereal company this is. It just says Universal, and then it says Harrogate Business Center, Hookstone Avenue. I don't know. NQ Candy Limited. Doesn't sound like something that's going to be awesome tasting. Let's try it. They could have done a little better with the box. You know, they kind of went real basic. Smells chocolatey. Here we go. Ooh, buddy. I'm not going to go hard with this. Okay, put that right there. These are like little sharp shapes. This one looks good. I mean, the shapes actually are pretty good. This looks like I don't know if this was supposed to be a squid. I don't know, or is that a person? Maybe. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Maybe that's supposed to be a squid. This says multi-grain shapes. There's stars in there too. I think there's like starfish. At least there's stars in the bottom. Oh, here's one. Here's a star. So let's give it a shot. Got my fat-free milk. And let's see what this is all about. Shall we? Okay. Get it a little soggy. It smells very familiar. It just smells like a regular chocolatey type cereal. Let's see. There we go. It's very crunchy. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like a Cookie Crisp vibe. I'm not a big chocolate cereal guy, so the closest I can think of is something like Cookie Crisp. No, it reminds me of Cookie Crisp. It's actually pretty good. I'm surprised. Multi-grain shapes didn't sound too, enticing. I'll give Jaws cereal a thumbs up. Gonna need a bigger bowl. You knew that was coming.